It's Rescue 411 with your host, Bill Shattered.
Rescue 411, a show that looks at the idiosyncrasies and the dramatic heroes behind this thing we call information on the telephone. This week, Rescue 411 takes a look at a very special man named Ben, an operator who was able to save a young man's life after a terrible break-in by being at Rescue 411.
There's a guy eating our potatoes. Oh.
411, this is Ben. What city, please?
What? No! No! It's an emergency!
Ma'am, you've dialed 411. Directory assistance. This is Ben. How can I help you?
No! What are you talking about? 411? No! Area call!
Hello, 411. This is Steve. Can I help you? I understand. It sounds very bad. It sounds very, very bad. You've torn your leg off, you say, in the power takeoff shaft of a farm implement. I understand. But I understand why you would call 411 to find a number that you would need to help you, but quite honestly, I can't give you that number unless you want to pay the toll charge. However, I can sing you a song if it would make you feel better. Here's a little one that I've just recently learned. Backseat, baby. Backseat, baby. Put your babies in the backseat. Backseat, baby. Hello? 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 They always hang up on me. I don't understand. All I try to do here on 411 is just to help people. That's all I want to do is help.
It's your Wednesday night lineup on Cable 7 starting off. Are they people or are they saints? It's Rescue 411. Then at 7:30, Whitewater's only all-gay comedy. It's Leave It, It's Beaver. Then at 8 p.m., a very special movie event. The touching saga of knee replacement behind the Iron Curtain. Not without my kneecaps.
Hey man, give me your bike.
No way!
I'm gonna get this bike. Hey man, you should have given me your bike. Now you're dead. You're dead. Die. Master Bike Locks, more bulletproof than you.